Hello, Kristen.
Hello po.
Kristen, introduce yourself once again to our viewers.
Hello guys, I am Tristan Manalo and I am representing the province of Pampanga.
Alright, congratulations. Finally, 4 months na sa Pampanga. Ano nararamdaman mo?
Sobrang happy ko po ngayon and now na nasash na magsastart na talaga yung totoong laban and I'm ready to give my best for not just for myself but for the whole province of Pampanga.
Sa competition ko, kasi siyempre ako sa mga basketball players. Ano nararamdaman mo na you are gaining momentum at this month na ang final?
With that one, ma'am, I am very grateful and very happy because I'm part of the top five for our Dances of the Philippines and also for the talent. And with that one, I'm very eager to give my best so that I can be able to gain more, a lot of stuff, and be able to be in semifinals as well.
Nakita ko nga yung costume mo sa Warrior. Yung haring sinukuan mo.
Yes.
Give us a story. Brief story about that costume.
So my story is about Haring Sinukban, and Haring Sinukban is the guardian of Pampanga from Mount Arayat. They gave us guidance and for us to be able to keep safe. And with that one, we use Haring Sinukwan. And just a fun fact, I just won Haring Sinukwan last 2 years ago. And Haring Sinukwan is a festival also in Pampanga, which is the Sinukwan Festival. That's why we used to come up to use that as my costume for the dances of the Philippines.
Grabe yung story. And I'm so happy that you're like story from
Yeah.
Mr. World. So, ayun nga. Gusto ko lang din, maiksi lang yung time natin kanina on how you briefly mentioned your background. Paano ka na as a working student?
Okay. To be honest, growing up, we're not financially stable. That's why I used to work. It's not a choice or it's not responsibility. That's because as a person who has a dream, that's why I used to work to sustain my needs and also to help my family as well. And because of that, I was able to sustain my needs. And right now, I'm a graduating student and I'm very proud of that.
Sino nagpasok sa'yo? Sino nagpasok sa'yo to become a working student?
Nothing, just because sarili ko lang. Nag-apply lang ako, naganap ako, I used to be a barista, call center, and most important yung pinaka-memorable and masaya, yung pagiging janitor.
Tapos paano ka na-discover to pageantry?
There's one makeup artist in my barangay in Pandakake, Mexico, Pampanga. They asked me if I'm interested to join. And sabi ko, wala namang mawawala. Try ko para at least more opportunities to come. And then, luckily and happily, nagtuloy-tuloy up until now. And now, I'm representing the whole province of Pampanga.
Mahirap ang buhay ngayon, syempre. Mahirap ang buhay ngayon, syempre. And marami ka pa tayo na hihirapan sa pag-aaral sa mahirapan. Ano ang message mo sa kanila to encourage them?
Yeah, as a person who also struggles when it comes in education, I know that life or being a student, it's not easy, but as we think our parents, our dreams, we can be able to uh, go further. Yeah, we may stumble sometimes when it comes in education, but always remember that education is a key part to unlock a better future.
High school and
And of course, tuloy-tuloy ang momentum ng Mr. Pampanga.
Yes.
Example, Sir Richard Padre ng Mr.
spent the time.
Do you think you have what it takes to continue that meeting?
Yeah, I agree about that one. And I'm here. Again, I'm ready to give my best, not just for only myself, but also to the whole province of Pampanga. And I know that with the team Mr. Pampanga, they
And
also
invite
behind
every
me
single
and
one of you
they
to
will
support
support
me
me.
on the
That's enough.
pageant of Mr. World Philippines.
Lastly, second to the last, bakit sila na bumoto sa'yo sa susunod?
Yeah, hello guys. I'm inviting you
Everyone,
to
I'm Leo
vote me
Timbrechea,
in
your Mr. World Philippines
social media so
and I invite you
so that
to
I can be
support
able to
me
be part
at
of
my
top
coronation
finals.
night on
And
July
each vote
25 at
each
Newport
vote is
Spring.
very
Thank
important
you.
to me and I appreciate it guys. Please vote me. Tristan Manalo Pampanga.
And lastly, what is your message sa mga supporters mo, especially from Mexico, from Bangladesh?
Guys, thank you for your unwavering support from day one up until now. Ilalaban ko hanggang dulo. Follow ko kayo.
Alright, Kristen Manalo, Mr. World Pampanga 2026. Good luck sa Mr.
Thank you po.
Philippines 2026.
Thank you po.
Thank you.